going on? This is a plug ENT with some more content from Bosco, where he claims he's gonna knock the Hoover off Cripmacs' head. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and back to the content.
Then be scared when he see me come, cause I pop. But this a cane course, so you can't like really pop in like that, cause they get scared. Then this nigga get separation anxiety. Every time everybody go to bed, this nigga just gets to walking around shitting and pissing everywhere. Like, but I came downstairs this morning, like I woke up, you know, you wake up and gotta piss. Nigga, I woke up, had to piss. Nigga, it was like 4 pounds of shit all over, like boom, bam, boom, bam. Nigga, and like 2 pounds of piss. It's like, bro, what the fuck? Okay. All right. One nigga pull. This nigga hard. So my nigga, hey, told so my nigga, bro. This nigga a beast. This nigga always hard. That nigga hard as fuck, man. That nigga just be shitting and pissing every fucking weirdo. Hey, told so my nigga, man, let me get one of them Harleys, man. You one of them Harleys, man. Let me win. I need to win one of them Harleys. I like that black and red thing. I ain't lying. That black and red thing, that's me right there. Now I need to get now I need like 4 hats. I need to win that black and red thing. Can y'all imagine me on that black and red thing? Hey, bro, like this summer, keep shitting on them I swear to God, fucking them this summer, nigga, clean street. They better not let me win that motherfucker, on God. Like, nigga, I'm killing them this summer, swear to God. I ain't want none of the cars, none of that shit. Like, I need to win that red thing, that black and red thing. I swear to God, I'm fucking them this summer, nigga. Let's go outside every bike night. All the nigga, I'm pulling up, nigga. Oh God. You already know, fully. Hey, how you feel about a 9-boy fight? A 9-boy fight? What is that? Like, bro, get in. Fight. Like, what is that? I don't even know. Like, fight with 9 boys? Like, what do you mean a 9-boy fight? Like, what is that? Explain. Like, I don't know what that means. What is a 9-boy fight? I can't hear you. Take out your AirPods. We can't hear you. You got AirPods in, so yeah, there you go. A little bit. Turn it up.
What about now?
A little bit. You a little muffled.
You hear me?
A little bit. Yeah, what you say?
Hey, I was saying, what did you say about the Nina Boy fight? I didn't hear you talk shit about that shit.
Nina Boy?
Yeah, like, I'm saying.
Bro, that shit was last year,
I know
bro.
it's old, but I'm saying, how you felt about it? Like,
I
you
felt like
whooped him out?
the nigga, bro, that shit on you all over YouTube, bro. I done talked about that shit 1,000 times, bro.
Hey, look, I just tapped in with you because my boy ODM Slim, you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
So I just tapped in with your content and all that shit.
Yeah,
You
Nina
a
Boy,
funny nigga.
Nina Boy was running the whole fight. He didn't want to fight.
Hey, but you a black bully though. You feel me? I'll give it to you for being in the streets, warrior.
Yeah, I be out here, but these niggas don't be wanting to, like, bro, these niggas be just woofing and then him particularly.
Yeah.
That nigga was just woofing, and I gave him a shot at the title, and that nigga performed horrible, bro, horrible, bro. I never fought a nigga that was running like that, bro.
Hey,
I swear to God.
I was just talking to the nigga. What's the nigga? The nigga Slick Nella?
Who?
With the horses from Cabanella, Slick Nella with the horses.
Oh, yeah, I don't know him.
Nah, you know you was. We was just on live talking about you. Hey, I hope the homie put it on you though, nigga.
I mean, that's smooth. You know, you supposed to. You know, everybody gotta take their side.
Yeah. I'm from that side. I'm from the team over there.
That's smooth.
Yeah.
Smooth.
But you know.
You know,
I'm though.
Yeah. What's up? I'll see you there, nigga.
Yeah, no, for real, for real. I'm like, oh, I'm trying to get in. Like,
Okay.
I told the homie, I said, let me squabble Boskoe, yeah. Like,
Man, get
I
this.
ain't got no fan base, nigga. Yeah, I ain't got no fan base, nigga.
Yeah, so it ain't gonna generate no
Yeah,
money. So it's
at
like,
all,
I'll fight.
at all. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
good. Hey, but I'm working on it though. I'm working on it though. I'm coming slowly but
That's
surely. You know what I'm
more
saying?
good shit. Get your bars up, man.
Hey,
I
hey,
get niggas a shot.
but I see you doing all that. I'm like, I hope he gonna beat the shit out of Boskoe. They like, nah, Boskoe been training. I'm like, nigga, what? On his head, they like, he been doing push-ups and he got that win.
He
I'm
not,
like,
bro. He not, bro. I already know how to. He not, bro. I mean, the
yeah,
nigga big. I know the nigga big. That's cool. I've been fighting big niggas my
of
whole
course,
life, nigga.
of course,
Like, you
yeah,
know what I
yeah.
mean?
Yeah, we've been training for this, gang. We've been training for this. But only thing he was saying, the nigga was saying that he was winded. Like, come on, you already on the interview talking about nigga wouldn't go run then, nigga. You feel me? Like straight up, cause he
You know what I'm
already
saying?
prepared that
That
he
shit
gonna do that
different.
win. Yeah, he gonna
That
hold
shit
it out.
different when you get in that ring, bro. Like,
Yeah,
when we really squabble on the street or county jail or something,
yeah,
juvenile hall, whatever,
yeah. I'm a
nigga,
water baby, bro.
that shit lasts like a minute. Niggas ain't understanding. That's like 1 minute long. Not even that. Like, that shit be like 30 seconds. Probably not even a nigga get in 2-3
Hey,
rounds in 1
hey,
minute.
hey, where you from again, Bob?
I'm from Queen Street.
Oh yeah, my nigga Damu.
Who?
Damu, light skinned Damu. He got the big C blank right here. Young nigga.
Not from Queen Street, though.
Queen Street.
From
Light
Englewood.
skinned. Hey, look. I was in the youth authority with him. I'm like, I'm 40. My wife's number 86164. But
Damo, I never met.
yeah,
We ain't got no
they say
We ain't got no
they say
Damo.
passed away.
Yeah, we ain't got no Damo.
I'm from neighborhood, off of 67th Street, man. I feel
That's
your
small.
bullshit. Yeah,
I
do
know
your
Ty,
thing,
but I
man.
know the 5-7s. I fuck with Ty Bud and Measy and all
Yeah,
them
they're my
niggas.
niggas.
Yeah, I fuck
They're
with
my
them.
niggas.
Yeah. Oh God.
Yeah, they're my
You smooth
niggas,
up, my
man.
nigga. I see
Yo,
you on the finish
yeah.
line, my nigga.
Yeah, all right, do your thing, man. Appreciate you. You feel me?
All
I
right,
hope you
but
get beat the fuck up. I hope you get beat the fuck up.
I won't. I won't. You think I'm coming to lose, nigga? I'm not finna lose, nigga. Like, bro, y'all niggas think that nigga big. See, nigga, if you worried about a nigga being big, you lost the fight already. I take note of it. Like, don't get me wrong. I take note of it. No fear. Only a heightened sense of things. No fear. Just a heightened sense of what's going on. Yeah, this nigga big as shit. But the bigger they are, the harder they fall. Fall hard. Big niggas fall hard. Boom. Boom. You seen George Foreman, nigga. You seen what Ali did to Foreman, nigga. Everybody thought this the end of Ali. Oh yeah, Foreman gonna kill this guy. You see how he punches that back? But nigga, do you want it this bad, nigga? Do you got the heart, the fucking humility to go in there, win, lose, or draw, and really do this shit? Do you really gotta nigga, you really gotta be the people's champ, nigga? Like, I ain't ready to get that up, nigga. So nigga, I'm not coming to lose, nigga. I don't come to lose. You think I'm in trouble? I think you would shit on yourself if you even ran into that nigga. Like, we all think shit. I think if you ran into him, you would shit on yourself. You don't even want to show your face on Instagram, nigga. You wouldn't fight. Why are you worried about who would fight and you wouldn't fight, nigga? Nigga, you wouldn't fight, nigga. Fuck you talk about? You can't even fight Instagram, nigga. You won't even put your fucking real face up. That's not a, what the fuck is that? It's my brand. We don't know what the fuck that is, so it don't mean shit. But it's fucking stupid because we don't know what the fuck that is. We don't know what that means. What does that even mean, bro? What the fuck is DX? Like, what is that, bro? What the fuck is that, bro? DX. Like, bro, we don't know what that means. That's not representing the brand, bro. Retreat, bro. Fuck that. Jesus. I know that goofy nigga had to fight every day in county. Hell no. Nigga want to fight that. It don't go like that. Like, it don't go how y'all think it go. I mean, it get bracking, don't get me wrong, but nigga ain't just fighting every single day. That shit don't go like that. Or you know, nigga squabble up when he need to, but that nigga ain't just fighting every single, like, not me, like, but other niggas going, you know, you might see a fight every day from somebody, but it ain't gonna just be you fighting every day. Like, they don't go like that. Some niggas don't even want it. Some niggas will walk in there and see that shit on his forehead and not say shit. Like, oh, that's the nigga. Like, bro, you already know who he is. You already know what he got on it. Some niggas ain't gonna say shit. Or some niggas gonna be fans. Some niggas gonna be fanboys. Oh, what's up? Oh, yeah, I know you, man. I fuck with your shit, man. I know where you from, my nigga. I know where you from, my nigga. But I fuck with your shit. Like, they gonna do that. Like, bro, it be like that, bro. Nigga wasn't fighting every day, but you gonna have those certain niggas that go, you know what I mean? Gonna feel like they ready to take that challenge, nigga. And they gonna, you know what I mean, do their shit. More power to them, but everybody ain't gonna do I seen you masquerade. Man, shut up, bro. I ain't seen you do shit, though. What the fuck have we seen you do, bitch? We ain't seen you do nothing. Niggas always talk about what they seen me do. What the fuck have we seen you do, nigga? We ain't seen you do shit. Retreat, bitch. Like, fuck out of here. Fuck you even talking about. Yeah. I want to see Jack 5 versus Boskoe. Nigga, I want to see you get them fucking braids out your head, blood. Design braids, blood. Are you serious, blood? Like, blood, ain't nobody trusting no grown-ass man with design braids. What are you, Jamaican or something, blood? What the fuck is going on, blood? Design braid? Like, imagine going to the braid lady. Yeah, how do you want your hair? Can you braid it in a design? Like, blood, a design. Like, blood, fuck out of here, blood. It's 2023, this nigga. Like, blood, nigga look like R. Kelly, blood. Remix to Ignitions, R. Kelly. This their remix to Ignitions. Hiding fresh out the kitchen. Looking nice, blood. Retreat. Shut your dumb ass shit. You got design braids, blood. Fuck out of here. Fuck. Here, lady. How do you want it? This nigga. Can you do it? Keep braiding in a design like this? Dumbass. Like, bro, get the fuck. What's up, my niggas? Whoa, top of the morning, bro. These niggas rising. Nigga. This nigga got the design braids, like, bro, serious, bro? This the remix to Ignition, hiding fresh out the kitchen, like, dumbass.
Hello?
First 2 seconds.
Oh shit. Oh shit, what's up? What's up, blood?
What's the deal?
I was going to work. On my way to work. Shit, my bad. I was in another
What's,
room. What's up, baby? On
what's
my
up with
way
the
to
show?
work. Just chill, man. Good luck with that fight, man. Knock that bitch
Yeah.
out, man. Knock that
Man,
bitch out
come
on
on, man.
blood.
We ain't coming to lose, man.
Yeah, but hey, I hope it don't be like that last one, no big homie. You remember
I don't think
about a year?
I don't think he gonna be like that. That other nigga was running. I don't think this
But
nigga gonna be running.
listen, that bitch. I don't think the thing about boxing that you know, like you said, that 30 seconds in the ring and shit, that shit's like an eternity. He ain't got no discipline like that, bro. He ain't got no discipline at all. And probably before the fight, he gonna back out, bro. That man retarded, man. Something wrong with that man. Did you know that? Listen, everybody, before that bitch went to jail, everybody that was like you, what the other nigga name is, I ain't gonna say it name, see that CW nigga, all y'all niggas done got somewhere. This nigga the only one of y'all that ain't got shit still. Like, you know what I'm saying? Bitch got out, bought the man the wrong beer, all bought the fucking his homeboy, bought the wrong kind
You
of
see
beer.
that
No,
shit?
that's what you really want to say.
Bro.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Bitch, I done did a year. And you gonna bring me the wrong kind of beer, hey bitch, you dead right there. But remember last year, I used to get on your live a lot. We used to be clowning and shit. I was on the run, man. I'm through all this shit now.
You
You know what I'm
good now?
saying? Yeah. I went out of that shit, totally out of that shit. But like a year later, we straight. You know
All
what I'm
papers
saying?
and everything,
Off everything, bro. Wait, we
huh?
free and clear. Yeah, we free and
Yeah.
you too, my nigga. But
It's
listen,
hard to do
let
that
me get on
shit,
you.
man.
I'm be getting on your live stuff. I'll be want to roast you sometime, but I'm coming peace today. You know what
You
I'm
can't
saying?
roast me, man, with that thin ass mustache. You gotta grow your
I swear I
mustache.
can't. Listen, I
Your
swear I
mustache
can.
way too thin, my nigga. Can't no nigga
But
with no thin
listen,
ass mustache. Nah, can't no
okay,
nigga
okay.
like look,
Okay.
look. You let the barber, you cut that shit yourself. That's why, like, nigga, I
No,
can see.
no, 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 no,
No,
no,
you
no,
cut
no, no,
that.
no.
That's a kitchen
Because
cut mustache. That's
this
a
a
kitchen
$40
cut
haircut.
stash,
This a
bro.
40. I get a $40 haircut, bro. No, nigga.
Nah,
Hey,
that
we don't
$40.
cap.
Let me see.
We don't
Let
do
me
no
see.
cap.
Let me see.
I
Let
shoot
me
you
see.
cash out.
Let me see.
Okay,
No,
yeah.
let me see.
Bet,
$40.
that's cool. That's cool. That's
$40,
cool.
my nigga.
Yeah, last
Goddamn.
week. But it's a week. But listen. Bosco's a week old. It's a week
Nah,
old,
you
bro. So goddamn.
lying,
So
my
2 weeks.
nigga. You lying. Nah.
Bosco, we ain't lying.
Nah, bro, you
Why I'm
lying, bro.
lying?
Retreat, bro. That's not a week up, bro. Like shit, that shit like 2 days old, bro. You should got that shit. What's today? Wednesday, nigga, you got that shit cut on Monday, bro. Fucking lies, bro. It's a week up. That shit ain't a week up. Nigga, you got that shit cut Monday, nigga. At least that like, bro. See what I'm saying? Like nigga talking about this a week up, like, blood, like, what the fuck wrong with you? Blood, lying on the first time I was gonna roast you. How you gonna roast with that thin ass mustache, blood, pee-pee, lip, pew, like, blood, plies looking ass, like, blood, this little ass mustache, like, blood, how you get this big ass beard with this little ass mustache, blood? That shit don't even match, blood, like, blood, how you got a different, how, like, blood, how do you unmatch on the same face, blood? Like, blood, how you do two different things on the, like, nigga got a big ass beard with a thin ass mustache. Like, bro, how you got a big beard with a little stash? Like, bro, that shit don't match at all. Like, bro, all the niggas with that kind of mustache always fucked with the punks when we was in the pen, bro. We used to sit back on the yard, bro, and you could always tell who fucked with the punks. Like, bro, niggas always had that mustache like that or no mustache. Like, it was always you. It was always you. Retreat, Nigga like that shit up with a butter knife and go whoosh, whoosh. God damn, nigga. The butter knife cut out. This a $40 cut, Skull. Lies, nigga. That's a butter knife cut, Skull. Like that. You just lined that mustache up this morning, bro. Stop lying, bro. Watch this. Fuck out of here. Boskoe was getting some ass in the joint trust. No, the fuck I wasn't, bro. What the fuck are you talking about, bro? You would be getting some ass in the joint, though. Trust, nigga, with them design braids. Any nigga with design braids for sure would be giving up some ass. Like, but you'll definitely be giving some ass in the joint. Like, that's why you probably stay away from there, huh? You stay away from there. Last time you didn't have a good experience, huh? Like, but shit didn't go so well for you, huh? So you came home getting design braids and shit. Like, but retreat. Such a dumb ass shit. Weird ass. Nigga mad. Now you mad because you got design braids. Like, I ain't even say nothing that bad. I just said you got design braids. Fuck type of nigga got design braids. 2023 nigga got design braids. Like, where the fuck out of now you mad. Now you want to keep coming. Like, look, it ain't my fault you got design braids, my nigga. It's like, look, if you like it, I hate it. If you like it, I hate it. Your judgment stinks. When Ja Rule had braids looking at. Remember when Ja Rule had braids? And I know you're getting bored dealing with them. I know you miss my loving, my thug and thug loving. And I know you're getting bored looking at us like that. Oh shit. Like now you want to come back? Hell no, nigga. You ain't no coming back, nigga. I already fired your mustache shit. Like, there ain't no coming back from that, nigga. Fucked your mustache all like, but nigga, you cut that shit yourself, nigga, in the kitchen with a butter knife in the mirror, bro. Like, nigga, nigga want to come back. You thought about some things. Now you want to come back and tell me, like, but you can't roast, nigga. Fuck you thought I was gonna roast your ass. Like, but you can't roast nobody, but damn, nigga, what the fuck? Niggas hate on Ja, but Ja was hard as fuck. 50 just fucked him up. I ain't gonna lie, before 50 came, my nigga Ja was killing it. Like, my nigga Ja was coming with them heads, blood. But 50 just fucked blood. Fucked this whole shit off. I ain't lying. And then, you know, like, see, everybody make it seem like 50 just did it. 50 fucked this whole shit off for one. And for two, they was going through that Fed shit, so it just fucked the label off. So his whole shit was fucked up. Like, 50 on your ass, the feds on your ass, the fans on your ass. Everybody was on his ass. Like, it was just like, you know what I mean? That nigga job was hard, but and I know you're getting bored. That shit was hard. In my race against time, I can't stop running through the red lights, living my life. Even if I get too high, I'ma keep running through the red lights, living my life. Racing with that day, that shit was hard, bro. Race against time, I can't stop running through the red lights, living my life. That shit was hard as fuck. Rico Love, salute my nigga. You got off on me though. You want to get back off? Come on, man. You get back off. Get back off my back. Let me let you get some. Get some. Get some. Get back. Hurry up, nigga. Get some, nigga.
Hey man, go ahead on with that bullshit. You got off on me with the butter
Come
knife. You
on.
got,
You the
you
one
got,
who
you got
said
that.
you
You
was
got
finna
that.
roast.
You
You the
got
one who
that.
said you was finna roast me though, my nigga. You
Okay, let me
said that.
start then. Let me
You
start
said that.
then.
All right.
Let me start then with your big potato salad extract nose having ass. Them braids look like they smell like the end of a prostitute's booty on feed. I'm talking about, man, them fake ass teardrops going up instead of down. I don't know what's up with you, like one of the Muppet babies that got lost, bitch. For real, Smoker Muppet baby, Smoker the bear, motherfucker. Fuck you look like? You fuck you
No, that
got
shit
going on,
trash,
nigga.
my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Why you got a big ass face and a little ass nose, bro?
What the
You
hell?
look
Here you go. Look at your
blood.
big
You
ass
look
nose and little ass
blood.
face.
You the opposite. Like blood, you the
Opposite
opposite. Nigga, you got a big ass
of
face.
you.
Like
Opposite of
why
you.
so much
Yeah, yeah,
face and
yeah.
so little nose? It look like
Yeah,
your
yeah.
nose stopped
Why so
growing at
much
6.
nose,
It
nigga?
like your nose
Quarter
stopped
ounce,
growing. Nah, it look
half
like your
ounce.
nose. Nah,
Stop
listen,
snorting that
bro.
kid.
I let you
Hey,
talk, bro. I let you talk, my nigga. It look like your nose stopped growing at 6, nigga. Like your face. It look like your face went to adulthood, but something about your nose just paused at 6. Like, Jesus, bro.
and you got
I know you
the
sitting there,
reverse
but
British
that
black.
was a retreat, stupid ass mustache. Like, blood, that was funny. Like, blood, what are you talking? You sitting there, like, with it's like, blood, that was funny. That fucked you up again, blood. How the fuck your nose stopped growing at 6, blood? Benjamin Button disease having ass nigga, little button nose having ass nigga. You got a big ass grown face with a child's nose. Like, blood, shit don't even match, nigga. Nigga look like Scarface, son. Like, blood, nigga look like Scarface. Brad Jordan. He's embarrassed. You seen him? That was like, you seen that stupid ass look on your face when you paused. Like, you know, I just got you, bro. It's that stupid ass look that niggas used to have on their face at the lunch tables when I used to get them back then, way back when. Like, had that same stupid Drew Gloria. Oh, Drew and Gloria. So you share your page with your girl. Like, oh, what's the deal? I get it. Drew times Gloria. And then you the man, so you the Drew. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. What's up with it, doggy?
What's up, brother?
What's up with it?
I came for the roast.
Huh?
I came for the roast.
For the roast?
Yeah.
Nigga, look like you ready to eat the roast, big motherfucker. Like, big Johnny. Nigga, you ready to eat some roast. Like, nigga, I'm not finna bag on you. Nigga, you gonna stand up and be 6 foot. Nigga, I know you ain't fooling me. You a Samoan, nigga. Like, you finna be 6 foot
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
You finna be like 6'4", 400 pounds, nigga. Hell no. Nigga finna be like, shit, he gonna stand up, be like 6'4", 400 pounds. I'll be like, God damn, this nigga big. You know what? You said some things. I felt something. I went with it. You said some things. I felt something. I went with it. I apologize. I apologize. God damn, big motherfucker. Hell, I don't fuck with those Samoans, niggas. Like, them niggas are knocky. Like, bro, them niggas, like, bro, them niggas be like 6'4", 300 by 15, niggas. Like, niggas, like, yeah, I don't fuck with them niggas, but, nigga, I remember we had a rumble at Luzinger with the Samoans and the Tonga niggas. Like, nigga, we had like a little big ass riot on the last day of summer school, nigga. Nigga, I hit one, nigga, with a Louisville, you know them little small little Louisville slugger, little Dodger bats. I hit one, like we was having a rumble. I hit one with one of them. Bling. Nigga, that motherfucker broke on that nigga. I swear, nigga, that shit broke on that nigga head. Nigga, that nigga turned around like looking to see who hit him. Like, nigga, that nigga turned around like trying to see who did it. I looked to the ground. I ain't gonna lie. I looked down. Like, I was acting like I was looking for my phone or something. Like I was looking down. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga turned around like looking to see who did it. Man, a lot of niggas was big as shit, man. Like, goddamn. That nigga just ate that back like nothing, nigga. That shit broke. That shit broke. Like, bling. Nigga, that nigga turned around like, nigga, I was like, a lot of niggas was big as shit. The bat didn't take him out. What the fuck you think these shits like, blood? I'm not like, blood. I can't hurt this nigga like, blood. Retreat, blood. Like when all else fails, blood. Retreat. Ain't nothing wrong with retreating, blood. Like niggas ain't coming to lose, blood. When all else fails, retreat, nigga. Like, what are you gonna die here? Like, you gonna die here? Like, blood, retreat, nigga. Oh god. When they go to design braids, you wanna go live? Man, I just talked like that. See, niggas be all mad as shit like that. Like, how you mad at me because you got design braids? Niggas be so mad. Niggas be so mad at their truth. Like, bro, you got design braids? Like, what are you mad for? Like, come on, bro, don't take too long, my nigga. Come on. Oh my god. Cripmacs said you fool. I don't give a fuck what Cripmacs said. I said, fuck out of here, bloody tree, nigga. It's 4 in the morning and niggas on live. Nigga, why are you on live? Like, what are you talking about? It's 4 in the morning and you're here. Weird ass nigga. Like, get over here. And you got Lil Durk as your profile pic at 4 in the morning here. You weird ass nigga. Fuck is you talking about? I hate when niggas think because they got pictures of other niggas that we ain't gonna think you weird as shit, blood. We know that's not you. So how the fuck you got a picture of another grown ass alive man with some money as your profile pic? That's not you, blood. We don't trust that, blood. Get your weird ass the fuck out my face, blood. Retreat. Fuck you talking about? Weird ass. Come on, bro, with the design braids, man. This nigga scared. Let's see. Yeah. Let me see. You gotta add me. I don't gotta do shit. What the fuck you talking about? I gotta add you. Why the fuck would I have to add you? I don't even know you, nigga. What are you talking about? I have to add. Nigga, I don't even know you, nigga. Why would I just say you got design braids, nigga. I just say I knew you, nigga. Nigga, you got design braids, nigga. Fuck us. When y'all finna fight. Like they gotta put this shit together, nigga. It's coming up. Just keep watching, nigga. I'll keep you posted, nigga. What you think you supposed to get an exclusive or something like that? It's coming up. Tickets available though already. We was on that night. What night, nigga? Skull, you and Charleston White need to go on the comedy tour. That shit'd be funny as shit. Charleston White be acting scary as shit though. Like, blood, he like a little. Charleston White remind me of a little jumpy chihuahua. Like that's like don't he like blood? He like a little jumpy chihuahua. Like every time you start getting close, nigga ain't even worried about you. Nigga just walking from the stove. Nigga just nigga just looking at blood like blood. Shut the fuck up, blood. You little like blood, you little scrawny motherfucker like blood. Like a little chihuahua, like a little bug ass eyeball, little big ass eyeball. Shut the fuck up. Like, look at your little ass out of here, man. The fucking chihuahua, nigga. Nigga ain't signed no papers. How the fuck is Tiki? What you talking about, blood? It's tickets and what the fuck you heard? How you know what the fuck we signed? Nigga ain't signed no paper. What the fuck? Who the fuck said we ain't signed no paper, nigga? You don't know what the fuck we did. How you know what we did? Like, the fuck? Shit. I heard it's a mud wrestling match. Man, get over here, homie. I heard you like to mud wrestle, man. I heard that you was current mud wrestling champion right now and that you were looking for an opponent. So you've been watching us to see if you can get some action. Hey, yeah, I like to mud wrestle. This, but who even knows about mud wrestling? Goddamn. I don't even know about that shit, bro. You look like current mud wrestling champion, though, like retreat, man. It's gonna be a backyard brawl. No, it's not. I'm a professional, man. I don't backyard brawl like that. Nigga, I'm a professional, nigga. I'm coming. You know what I mean? I got footwork, technique, nigga. I got experience, nigga. I'm gonna have wind, nigga. I'm gonna be squabbling, nigga. I'm gonna have heart. I'm gonna be chin up, chest out, quick straight, nigga. I ain't coming to play games, nigga. I'm coming to get that bag, nigga. Get this little shitty ass down. That nigga had 4 pounds of shit. Little shitty motherfucker. How many rounds? Probably 3. I think 3. Probably like 3 2-minute rounds. Or 3 1 minute 30-second rounds. Something like that. I don't know. Drop that nigga about 5 times before the 5th round. No, it's only gonna be 3 rounds. I gotta drop him 5 times before the 2nd round. See? Look at your weird ass. Man, little pissy bitch. God damn. God damn, man, this fucking dog. He be pissing all over the place. Block. You beat Nina Boy's ass with 109 blocks. Like, bro, I can't beat a nigga that don't want to fight. That nigga didn't want to fight. King Yellow was talking about you on YouTube yesterday. Like, bro, a nigga that tell me who snitching, bro. I'm just saying, bro. The nigga that tell me who snitching. Shoot the messenger, bro. Shoot the messenger. This is Spartan, nigga. This nigga slammed his hand. Like, bro, you too old to be on fucking, like, bro, you too old to be taking pictures like that, bro. The fuck is you, like, what was you, like, auditioning for a soap opera, nigga? Like, what the fuck you trying to get in a Tyler Perry show or something? Like, was you auditioning for Sisters, bro? That was your headshots, bro. Weird ass, like, bro, who takes pictures like that? You know what? Get one. Like, bro, what the fuck was you doing? Like, bro, were you on vacation or something? Like, retreat, man. Shut your dumb ass. Miami Vice jacket. Like, blood, fuck you got on pastel color jacket. Like, blood, get over here. Matter of fact, where you go? Get back over here, blood. That nigga got a pastel colors. Like, blood, you got on, like, blood, get over here. You got on pastel colors too. Like, blood, Miami Vice. Like, that's what, like, blood, retreat. Like, where you even find that color shirt? Like, what is that? Like, blood? aqua blue. What the fuck color blue is that? Aqua blue or something? Retreat, Miami Vice looking at. Stay off your Hardy this time around. I've been sold my Hardy. I've been sold it. How can we bet on the fight? God damn, man, you asking me too many questions, man. Go look that shit up, bro. Just keep watching, bro. I'm gonna have all that information coming up, bro. We just announced this shit like 2 days ago, bro. Like, just announced it. So chill, just relax. Shit not gonna happen tomorrow. Like, the fight not tomorrow. It's not Saturday. Like, bro, chill, man. Like, God damn. Nigga act like as soon as a nigga here, nigga act like it's supposed to happen tomorrow. Like, goddamn, chill. Like, just keep watching. Keep watching. Same way you watching, you up to date now. I'm gonna keep you up to date later. Just keep watching. Go, how much for promotion? Like, bro, I hate when niggas ask me how much this shit on live. Like, bro, nigga, you ain't serious about that. I can't take a nigga serious that's asking me about business on live. Like bro, like, I don't like when niggas do that, bro. It's like weird flex. Weird flex. Yeah, this nigga weird as fuck. I'm gonna need some weight and height measurements stuff. But that nigga way bigger than me, nigga. That nigga like 6'3", 400 pounds, 300 pounds, nigga. That nigga like 300 pounds. That nigga big as shit. I don't give a fuck. Why you sell my heart? Just because I wanted a new one. I'm gonna hit your DM. You don't be replying. You said it, your name pussy. Yeah, like you niggas don't be talking about nothing. You gotta say something in the first 3 words. Like you can't be like, "Hey, what's up?" Don't. I'm not gonna answer them, bro. What the fuck does that mean? Hey, what's up? Like, bro, you gotta be like, "Yo, I'm trying to like, yo, I'm trying to get some promo." Like, all right, cool. Like, bro, hey, what's up? Fuck you, what's up? I want to squabble fat boy around with him. Man, if you don't get your Rick Cross looking ass the fuck out of here, like, where do you niggas come from thinking like, bro, you just gonna get a fade with anybody? I want to fight, like, bro, you need to fight that weight addiction, bro. Like, bro, you need to fight your food addiction. I mean, bro, like, nigga, you need to fight that fucking bro, you need to fight that extra 80 pounds that you need to lose, bro. Fight with that, like, bro. I'm like, bro, come here, like, mentioning, like, other niggas and all this, like, bro, I wanna fuck with Fat Boy or Rod Wave fight you, bro, fight that fucking food addiction, bro. Fight that shit, bro. That late night addiction for Jack in the Box tacos and a breakfast jack and one of the sausage biscuit thingies and some French toast dips too and a soda. Like, bro, Jesus, bro, fight that. Like, bro, fight them urges to go fucking just ham on a whole row of cookies. Bro, you know how you get the cookies and it'd be like 2 to 4 rolls. This nigga eat a whole roll in one sitting. Like, bro, fight them urges. Like, bro, fight them frosted donut urges. Like, look, nigga, I don't know. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.